What's going on, guys? Today's the first day that we have the Corvette in the body shops. Before we take you into the shop, I'm gonna kind of show you, and it's raining. Great. Kind of go over the damage that was done on it. So, windshield, hood was cracked, which I didn't know until the insurance adjuster looked at it. Fuel door and one of the headlight covers. So with that, we got some stuff coming. But the car needed repainted anyway, so the clear coat was kind of messed up on it. So we're going to go over that with the fresh paint job. So I'm not going to complain about it. I'm not going to tell you what color I'm doing because I am doing a color change. So, but we're just getting lights and stuff, and first night of prepping. So let's do it. All right, got tail lights out, gotta pull reverse lights, license plate off still. Taking these off because it's not red. It's not gonna be this. It's not gonna be red. If I could talk today. Come on, guys. Side markers are out. Those are gonna go back in with tinted LED ones. Yeah. Dustin started sanding on it. He said, I'm gonna cut the windshield out, do a replacement. Hood's cracked. I'm not gonna use the stock hood. So I gotta pull emblems, front license plate cover, front blinkers. I am getting rid of the side molding, which I'm pretty stoked about that. They look so much better without it. So yeah, we'll just kind of do some progress shots. And again, it's just first night. We're not gonna be going gung-ho on it tonight, just kind of getting the big stuff taken care of, getting ready to spray it. Is there still glue?
Yep.
One eternity later.
What the hell, Riley? You cracked it.
Oops.
Alright, so Corvette's, we gotta tape it off still, but getting there. I did pull the front sway bar out since this is gonna be more of a drag car. And I'm just gonna dip the wheels for now. Just using index cards. Go around, I've already sprayed one of the wheels. I'm just doing the fronts right now, the rears are still in the car. And this just stops the dip from going on onto your tire, and it gives you, if you ever want to peel it, gives you a clean line to pull off of. So I'll get these put on and we'll go over how to spray. So, got the index cards on. So, and you get a lot of people that say plastic doesn't peel. And typically out of a spray can, it does peel like garbage. The trick is light coats and a lot of them. You gotta get it thick enough on the final process so that it'll hold together when you go to peel it. I usually wait about 5 to 7 minutes in between coats. So we're gonna let this flash and do another coat. So that's first coat. I'm gonna let this flash and we'll come back.
Because they give us cars that want stripped at all and they want them taped.
Yeah.
Oh, so that's cool. They want me to do the whole inner door jamb all the way to the car and plastic it. I looked down and I'm like, why? Because that's what you need to do. I said, no. I'm like, how's the paint gonna get past the weather stripping? Well, don't tell anyone. I'm like, yeah. Buster!
I absolutely hate wearing these things, but they're kind of needed. That shit's really good on your lungs for sure. Why not?
I said I hate wearing these things, but that stuff really isn't good on your lungs.
No, this isn't bad.
That stuff we sprayed at Fast Lane was horrible.
This stuff's not bad.
Yeah, the clear is what gets you, but still not good for you.
Primer and clear.
Yeah.